this video in the next 7 days. That if I don't remove this video, there will be copyright strike. And copyright. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that this is not my regular video, but I want to give you a little bit of YouTube updates as I arrange my clothes into my lovely wardrobe. This is not a closet, no. This is a wardrobe. So guys, so YouTube sent a message to me few minutes, let me say just maybe 1 hour or 2 hours ago, and they said I should drop a video, that I should remove this video in the next 7 days. That if I don't remove this video, there will be copyright strike. And copyright strike, if you get to copyright strike like this, just know that your channel is going home already. So hey, that instruct me. So I went to look at the video, and this video is, if you don't know, I deal with skin, hair, beauty in general, weight gain, weight loss, and everything. So as a growing YouTuber, what I do is that I copy videos from YouTube, from TikTok. I copy videos from TikTok to post on YouTube. So that is what I do. So most of the time I usually post like 3 to 5 YouTube shorts a day, which are not my own personal video. And why do I do it? I feel like if you don't want people to download your videos, most especially on TikTok, it's not all videos that you can download. Like, you can't download all videos. And if you don't want people to copy your videos, then you can put that on it. So I feel like if I'm able to download your videos, that means you're giving me the rights. And if I'm able to post it as well, because immediately you post some content, they'll be like this. Is it that there's copyright claim on the song or copyright claim on the video? Sure, you get. And that is it. And also, if I post, there are some, I started with, if I post, I will try to erase the names. Like if you post something from TikTok, the TikTok name will be there. So I felt guilty that why should I, even though I'm posting people's content, why should I erase it? So I stopped that. So I started posting it with the name, so that if you want to go and follow them, probably they're on TikTok or they're what am I so sorry? or they're on YouTube, you can be able to follow them, and that is it. And even now, I don't even know what's wrong with my YouTube channel, like, and how I've not been getting subscribers and how, and even before this one, they sent a message to me last week or 2 weeks ago that I should drop a video. Is children, it violates children's something. In my head I was like, what's this? So I was feeling frustrated, like I've been feeling frustrated and also guilty, in the sense that for someone to send, because that lady, I think she's popular on YouTube. It's a hair content. So that lady said, if I don't drop this video in the next 7 days, there'll be copyright. That's how YouTube sends this stuff. And when I've been on my bed, I just stood up now, and I felt guilty. I'll be like, what if every other person that posted their stuff, that posted their video, feel this way? So I felt like so I just sat on my bed and I started deleting everything. If you notice now, if you notice, my videos are reduced. I deleted everything, all those YouTube shorts, and I'm not doing it again. If it takes me 10 years to go on YouTube, which is not even possible, it's not possible. I'm just saying, like, I'm ready to, like, I'm not copying anybody's content again. And I feel like if I've copied your content, I'm saying I'm deeply sorry, because I felt guilty. Like, I felt really good. Probably it's wrong. Maybe it's wrong, because before I copy, I'll be like, if you don't want someone to like copy or do so, you should put a copyright claim on it. If you get. But when I saw this message, I feel guilty. I feel like I'm doing I've been doing the wrong thing. And seriously, I've deleted everything, every single thing. The videos that I left was just the video that I did myself. That, you know, there's one site on Google. It starts with P. Oh my god, I forgot it. Like that one, like you can download images. Like you download images and you can use it. That one is free and there's nothing. So those are the videos I've left, and it's been a while I've done. It's just like 2 or 3 years that are left on my channel. So I've deleted any person's content on my YouTube channel, and I think I feel relieved, because when I just saw that, Jesus, what's this? I felt relieved actually, and I'm saying I'm not even going to do that again. I'm going to be posting my own, because I feel like, you see, people will not follow, like, I don't know how to put it now. I'm saying how to grow long hair, and my hair is not long. People will not follow you, like, they will not. So what's me, I just feel like I'll post you should not be as if I was doing this video again. I'll post people that have long hair. I'll post them on my YouTube shorts, so that you people can see. I know that we are still growing our hair. You will know how to follow us. Share you guys. So that was what I did. Actually, that was what I did actually. So, but now I'm not even doing it again. I'm posting my hair content. If you want to follow me for my hair, follow me. If you feel my hair is short, I'm saying nonsense, I don't know what I'm saying, no problem. So I'm saying that I'll document more of my hair journey, I will have like a hair dump every month on my channel, like how we have it. Like guys, look at my hair, like oh my god. I love my hair. Like my hair is responding to treatment, and I love it. Like I love it. So guys, this thing should not go off. So guys, so that is just it. So there are some also long form content as well that I did, but the first intro video I'll go and look for someone with long hair. Someone with long hair, I'll use it at the intro, then put my own DIY to it. I'm removing everything. Like the thing is, I'll go and download those videos back, then re-edit it, then remove those parts. Is it I put my own hair or I don't put any. God, I'm so sorry. They are making some construction in our building. We just the section just resumed, so they're trying to renovate some places. And also one of my neighbors, she opened like a tap and she's not around. I've been trying to close it from outside, but it's not. So all those noise, that's why I'm using mic. I hope you guys can hear me. So I'm so sorry. Like I'm deeply sorry. So what was I saying? So is it I put my hair, or I don't put anything, and that is it. So I know that everything is just step by step. And I'm so grateful that I keep going forward, even though I'm facing a lot. I face a lot of setback. Even in my hair, at some point my hair was breaking. I was tired, like really tired. My hair was breaking. Now I'm done with school. Like having long hair, or let me say, is a passion, or is something I love, and it's something I want to create content with. So me putting more effort in that, like, it's also a content to me. You get what I'm trying to say? So I'm putting more effort into it, and I pray the Lord will help me in Jesus' name. Not just my skin, like this ring light is not doing justice to my skin. I'm using a 10 inches ring light. My room is I love a very dark room, so, and everything is dark, like just in my skin. I have a lovely skin, to the glory of God. So that is just it. So as I'm now, I don't know if I'm so sorry to that person. Like I'm deeply because I felt so guilty. And now I'm back to it. And also a little bit of YouTube updates. I've not, like, my subscribers have not been increasing. I've been getting low views, probably because of the copyright claim, because they've been saying, even beyond that, copyright claim, this one is actually to that. This one is that they asked me that if I don't remove this in the next what they say, hey, I'll get copyright strike. So I'll be getting claimed, and I don't know, maybe that's why my videos, like, it has been reducing. Like my subscribers, my views have been reducing. I don't know, but I'm saving out everything. And also like, I'm shooting this video on a Monday. I have a lot to do. I'll be busy in the next 3 weeks, and even grateful to God that I'm trying to save out content, because if you notice, I've not been posting recent videos. This is the first time you're seeing this here in my head. And I've made this year since last week. I was not feeling fine last 2 weeks and all, and I'm into something that I need to put my whole into heat in the next 3 weeks. So after 3 weeks, guys, get ready. Oh my God, like, get ready, like, you guys can't wait. I have a lot. Like, I've just been writing. I've been writing. I've been writing content, even beyond YouTube content. I'm taking everything into TikTok, Instagram, and also beyond that. Like, you guys, get ready. Like, get ready for me. Get ready. Like, I'll be busy in the next 3 weeks. And after then, I don't have anything. So this is main focus. Content creation is my main deal, even beyond YouTube. So, and that is just it. I'm sweating, like, oh my God. So that is just it. I'm even grateful that I'm able to say, because those content I'll be posting it back again, because I don't have time to really sit down and make content for now, because of what I'm preparing for. So please, I'm so sorry for that, but you will think videos, don't worry, that one is no issue. But I know that I'm not really consistent. I will not be consistent for 3 weeks. So that is just it, actually. I'm using this fan. Like, hope this thing will not affect the noise. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm a bit disorganized in this video. Like, I'm deeply sorry. So that is just it. So you guys get ready for me. I noticed that my mic went off, so I'm using the second mic. I don't mind that I changed my clothes. So I watched the video and I saw that the clothes I was wearing, like, it's a bit light, so it's causing what's it called, like, it's flashy. So I feel this one is okay, and yep. So So as I was saying, road to 1K subscribers. Road to 1K subscribers. As of now that I'm shooting now, I think I have 986 subscribers. Thank you so much. Like, I'm really grateful. Like, thank you so much. Oh my god, you guys are amazing, and like amazing, lovely family. Like, I'm so grateful for it. I'm really grateful, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. So please get ready for content. Like, get ready for content. Get ready for content. I don't know if I've said this in that video, but in that last video, but get ready for content. I've just been writing these days because of what I'm preparing for. Like, I've been writing and writing. That's what I've been doing. I've just been writing those content down. So I'm going beyond Facebook, sorry, beyond YouTube. Like, beyond YouTube, beyond upgrading some things and whole. And I pray the Lord will perfect everything, because everything is still on the sketchboard. It has not been activated, or let me say, it has not been voice on. It's on the way, yeah. So I'm trying to like upgrade and everything, and seriously, I'm so grateful for those ideas, because God brought those ideas into me. And beyond even YouTube, I'm going higher. I'm moving everything to from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and everything. And guys, I can't wait to share it. I can't wait to share it. Like, I can't really wait to share it. I just want that thing to just pass, and just so that I can be free like a bird. Like, I'm not free now. Like I said, I won't be making content for now. So, but it is what it is. So thank you. Like, oh my god, thank you so much for everyone that have subscribed to my channel. Like, I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. So I feel like I'm going to end this video here. Yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I will probably do another video like this but see me in the next video, because this we definitely have a part 2. So watch the next video after this. This video has a part 2. It has a part 2, so keep on watching. So bye for now.